Hi guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. I'm going to ask you guys to please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Post notification bell, please make sure that's on also. So you guys have been asking me to do air frying for the longest, and okay, so I'm going to do one for you guys today. I'm going to do some wings. So I have some buffalo spicy wings here that I'm going to walk you guys through. All right, so stick around. Alright, you guys have been asking me for an air fryer recipe for the longest, and here it is. So I'm going to do some fried chicken, buffalo chicken wings in the air fryer. So I got some chicken wings right there, all cleaned and ready to go. And I'm using these simple seasoning, guys: black pepper, salt, some garlic powder, onion powder, that's all in there, and some homemade buffalo sauce, and it's pretty simple. Alright, so let's go ahead and get our wings seasoned. Alright, so let's go ahead and get our chicken seasoned. And let's say, guys, this is going to be a very simple and quick recipe. So you're just going to get your salt and pepper, your garlic powder, onion powder, evenly coated, and we're going to do our air fryer at 380 degrees. The first round we're going to put them on the 12 minutes, then we're going to flip that, put it to 390 for 12 more minutes, then we're going to coat them in that buffalo sauce. All right, so let's get going. The first thing you're going to do on your air fryer is you're going to make sure that your ventilation system is not blocked. So you got to make sure that there is space between that, which there is. And we're going to go looking for 380. So you want to go between the right there, between 400 and 320, as mine is. Then we're going to go ahead and set our timer. We're doing 12 minutes for the first round. There we go. All right, so while that's happening, let's go ahead and add our chicken. And my fryer is small, so I'm just doing drumettes. If you realize by now, I'm going to do 4 to 5 at a time. I don't want them sticking, so there you go. Leave a little bit of space in there. You know, you don't want to stack them on top of each other. All right, so we are at where we need to be. Again, actually at 380 and 12 minutes. All right, so I'll see you guys in 12 minutes when we're ready to flip for another 12 minutes, but we're going to currently heat up even more for the last round. All right, so we're coming up on that 12 minutes now, guys. So should be ready any minute now. All right, there we go. So it's been 12 minutes. So we're gonna open and check. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go ahead and give this a quick turn. Oh yeah, how juicy. I'll give it a quick turn. Alright, now that we turn everybody, we're going to go ahead and add this back. We're going to add this back in here. We're going to put camphor either up all the way to 400 or 390. We're going to go for another 12 minutes. See you again in another 12 minutes. Alright, you're coming up to the last batch of it, so we should be ready any minute now. Alright, there we go. So let's pull back and look at our end result. Wow, beautiful. So now we're going to go ahead and toss these in our buffalo sauce. So let's go. All right, now our wings are finished. We're going to go ahead and add them. Oh, that's tasty. All right, I'm going to add the sauce. We're going to give it a nice coat. Mix that. Nice. Could smell that heat in the buffalo sauce. And if you love it, you could add an extra coat to it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and plate these up, and we're gonna be serving this with some ranch. You know, keeping it simple. I'm just showing you guys a simple fry wings, buffalo wings in the air fryer. All right, let's plate up real quick. All right, so let's do this. Let's add some